The Soul Growth presents a 21-day workshop that will open your heart to a grateful attitude and provide powerful tools to make your visions become reality. Once you start taking actions like these, your desires might just fall into your lap. Here's what we're offering. Powerful gratitude journaling done differently. 3 interactive video workshops to overcome old beliefs and blockages. Daily inspiration videos and emails. Exercises and homework to help strengthen not only your gratitude, but boost your confidence and power. And daily meditation and visualization exercises. We are passionate about helping you find the tools to help create the things that you truly desire. So when we work together as a team, we can move mountains. They say prayer works in numbers. So as we focus our attention and intentions in the same direction, things will happen faster. When we push each other, we go further, farther, and harder. So what are you waiting for? Join the team of gratitude manifestors for an experience that we intend will change your life.